And looking at the effect size chart, this is very large. Now, let's see here. Is there anything else we need to do? I think the other thing that we need to do is now we're going to be calculating this Cohen's d. And so I'm going to switch over to the PPT, and I'm going to erase this. And so we're subtracting mean 1 minus mean 2. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So this is going to be looking back at SPSS. I just have too many applications open. We have 2.43. minus 4.19, and this is divided by this pooled standard deviation. And you would use this equation right here to get the pooled standard deviation. So what we have here is this number and this number that we're going to put into here. So I'm actually going to write this denominator here, which is this area right here. So this is going to be 1.363 squared. And it's going to be the individual degrees of freedom. So that's n1 minus 1, which is 21 minus 1, which is going to be 20. So I'm just going to put this in parentheses times 20. And then we're going to put this in the brackets right here. And then this is going to be plus 0.750 square. Put this into brackets times 20, and then divide it by degrees of freedom 1, degrees of freedom 2, which is 20 plus 20. And when you do this, what you should be getting is this value right here. That would be your Cohen's d. That's this part right here. Calculate the Cohen's d. And then then you should get this answer right here. You can just double check your work. The other thing I should mention is you're comparing your t statistic, which is this value right here, to your t critical, which is this value. And we see that our value is way less than negative 2.021. So we see that being played out. Finally, you will report your p-value, which is right here. Not this one, not the Levine's test, but this one, sig parenthesis 2 tail, which is less than, so it's showing there's a significant difference between the groups. And then we report into APA. And I think what I'll do is I'll show you this when we meet today, because I'm running out of time, but you would just plug in all the information and you can find this in your walkthrough. You can find it right. Let's see, where is that walkthrough? Walkthrough. You'll find it right here. You just plug in the information. All right, so I'm already a little bit late, and I'll see you in class, hopefully on time. Thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you soon.